this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We're starting out this week's What's for Dinner with our Easter celebration with Tim's family. It's potluck. Everybody brings a dish. We set it all out, so it basically turns into an all-you-can-eat family buffet. We had a lot of traditional things like ham, potato salad, mashed potatoes, and some unconventional things like chicken and dumplings, and a lot of great food. That's my sister-in-law, Amy. Hey, Amy. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter, Uncle Richard.
Thank you.
And of course, a handsome baby boy is always a big draw. Meet the newest member of our family. This is our cousin Ashley and her husband Mark's new son, Levi.
On Monday, we're supposed to be starting salad week, and we're going to call this a salad because it's on lettuce. I made some Asian lettuce wraps. I have filmed this and hope to share it on the channel. Please leave me a comment if this is something you're interested in. I actually did it two ways. I did it with some ground turkey for Tim. I did it with some Morningstar veggie crumbles for me. I have also used ground chicken. I have also used ground beef, and I've even used leftover teriyaki grilled or cooked chicken breast and just mixed it with the sauce. We wrap it in the lettuce, the Bibb lettuce leaves. I made a dipping sauce. For me, I made some brown rice and quinoa, and then Tim and I will share when he gets in some edamame and some of the P.F. Chang's mini egg rolls from Sam's Club. So that's what we're having tonight. It's Tuesday night. We're beginning salad week with a very large everything but the kitchen sink salad. We grilled some chicken, and I used pretty much everything I had. I also took some of the baby portobello mushrooms from Sam's and filled them with breadcrumbs and seasonings and cheese, and we did them on the grill. We've got some cheesy bread. My salad has no tomato, and I've got to get my onions out of the grill pan, and that, Tim?
Your onions or mushrooms?
Onions. I got to get my mushrooms out of the grill pan. We're thinking about we were going to do grilled blooming onions. So that, is this what you wanted? That's a salad.
It looks delicious.
Well, it's a salad. That's what's for dinner tonight. It's Wednesday night, and Tim has asked for Greek salads. I had a package of Euro meat in the freezer and some naan or pita bread. He said he just wanted a salad. He has a whole lot more discipline than I do, so I've made us a very large Greek salad with romaine, feta, red onion, 2 or 3 kinds of olives. His has tomato, mine has cucumber. Also made homemade yogurt today. Took some of the yogurt, strained it, and made Greek yogurt, and then made a homemade tzatziki sauce. Took some of the whey that I drained from the yogurt and thinned it down to make a dressing. So that's our Greek salad dressing on a Greek salad for dinner tonight. It is Thursday night. Normally that's leftover night in our house. However, I was told
I want salad.
I want a salad. I want a salad. I want a salad. I want a salad. Guess what we're having? Guess what we're having for supper? We're having salad. So this is basically a repeat of last night. Tim's got a big Greek salad. I've got a smaller one. We did make some pita mozz and cut up some pita bread to go with hummus, my homemade tzatziki, and Tim likes carrots with his hummus. So that's what's for dinner tonight. Tim is playing in a golf tournament all afternoon today, and they are having dinner provided when they all finish. He will be in later. So since it was his big idea to have salad week all week and he's not here, you know what they say, the cat's away, the mice will play. We showed these in our Sam's Club haul. We found them for a great price. I got a 32 pack box of waffles at Sam's Club for $2.91, and I'm going to try the Kodiak Cakes waffles. And I'm fixing to scramble me some eggs, and I'm pretty excited about my dinner. I probably left them in a little too long. I got busy scrambling my eggs and cutting up my strawberries. The waffles are actually really good. I already tasted them. I won't leave them in the toaster oven quite so long. I'm very excited about the eggs. Being a city girl, eggs to me come in a styrofoam carton from the grocery store, but our niece Brittany and her husband David have chickens, and they sent us home with some freshly laid eggs from their chickens, so I'm really excited to taste country real farm fresh eggs. And I've got some strawberries that came from Kroger, so I'm excited about my dinner. That's what's for dinner tonight. It's Saturday night, and we're back to pizza with a big salad. Instead of the meat pizzas, we're using one of the Little Caesars pizza kits that's just Italian cheesy bread. So that's what we're having tonight with, yes?
Salad.
So that wraps up our week of salads and our week of what's for dinner. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's Cook, y'all. Hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Come back next week. I hope we don't have a salad every night.
Salad is what's for dinner.
Hey, have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. See you in the next video.